Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, a series of videos dedicated to answering your questions. Now, the first link in the description will be a playlist of every single video that we have done in the Lounge Fever series for communications management knowledge area. And second link is going to be all the videos that we have done covering topics of communications management knowledge area. So two important links. Also, if you want to go over the Lounge Fever series of other knowledge areas, then third link in the description is going to take you to a web page that contains the list of all the knowledge areas that we have covered. Each knowledge area, if you go in there, you will find the topics as well as the direct link to the Lounge Fever playlist as well. So this is an important series. A lot of you really like this series because we take up and answer questions that you have. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment. We'll definitely answer it. And if it is something which can be helpful to other community members of PMC Lounge, we are going to create a video on it as well. So today I am trying to answer a question which came in over email, and that was, what do you do with the lessons learned document? So you're done with the project, okay? You're done with the project. You have created your lessons learned document. Your project team has given their input. Now, what do you do with it? So three very important things that you're going to do with your lessons learned document are, let's look into the next slide. Number one is you're going to refer to the lessons learned document, the lessons learned. You'll refer to the lessons on your future projects as well. So that's number one thing which I feel is the most important aspect of lessons learned document. You don't want to make same mistakes again and again. There are plenty of new opportunities for you to make mistakes. And remember, I said opportunities because mistakes are good. So you don't want to waste your mistake making opportunity by making same mistakes over and over again. So make new mistakes. Make use of lessons learned document in your future projects so that you don't repeat your previous mistakes. Number two is it is a source of help for other project managers. Learn from other people's mistakes. That's one of the smartest things that you can do, especially in project management environment where thousands, if not millions of dollars are at stake as part of your project, right? So it's very useful. It is recommended that you learn from the mistakes that other project managers have made. And how do you do that? Refer to the lessons learned document of their projects. So just like you are going to refer to the lessons learned document of other project managers, your lessons learned document will also be of good help for other project managers, right? So this is why it's a give and take, and it is important to write lessons learned document, and this is one of the usages of lessons learned document once you're done with your project. And number three is you add this document in your company's OPA, organizational process assets. I hope you remember it. If not, fourth link in the description, I'll link a video on OPA, and so you can check it out. So these are the three important things that you do with the lessons learned document after you're done with your project. I hope it's clear. I hope now you have an idea how important lessons learned document really is. A quick reminder, pmclounge.com/pm101. This is where you can grab a free training of 1.5 hours introducing you to the world of project management. Check it out. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Smash that like button if you did so. Appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.